Okay, so I quickly want to go through how you can make your videos more stand out-ish on Instagram, for example, by adding a caption and by adding the little white or black bars around your videos so you can write the caption on them so it's not covering the video. It's something really easy that you can do to draw more attention to your videos. I'm going to go into that right now. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is go into your app store and download the InShot app, the red one in the corner there. So I'm going to click on that, and I've already loaded up a video ready to do this. But you can have a horizontal video or a vertical video, it doesn't matter. And what you're going to do, at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's a little canvas button that you can click. So I'm going to click that, and this is how you get the white bars or black bars or whatever colored bars you want around the video. So my video is a vertical one, so I'm just going to adjust this to how much I want around the edge, and you can move this around with your thumb. I'm going to get that nice and centered there and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and then you press the little tick in the bottom there. You want it on a ratio of 1:1. That's the best way for Instagram. It looks better, I think, in my opinion. So I'm going to click that tick. Okay, and then to add text, you just scroll along the bottom here, and there is a little text button, and you just text in what you want. So I'm going to write hello, and you can adjust to the writing style you want. So there's quite a few on here, and I think you can purchase some as well, and that's up to you. So I'm just going to keep it on, let's put it on this one. I don't like that one. I'm going to keep it on that one. Okay, you can change the color to whatever color writing you want. You can make it more stand out with a bit of red, and then you can just move it around on there. I'm going to press the little tick again on the right hand side. If you want to add another one, you press the little plus button, and then I'm going to write something else. Hello everyone. Okay, you can move this back down like so, and this bit here just tells you where you want the writing to start on the timeline. So I'm going to start it from the start of the video and end it at the end as well. So, and then you press the tick button, and then you go up to the top right hand corner and you just download. Okay, so I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please give it a like or a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.